Hello guys, how are you all? As you know, I'm Mubin and you are watching Titan Tap. So today my video is about, as you know, we are humans and we can forget something when we are doing our work or job. So sometimes we plug the charger and forgot to take off, and your mobile or a battery gets damaged. So this video is for them. So let's start the video. Today I will tell you an app by which you can take off the charger, and uh, that app will alarm and tell you that please take off your charger. So go to Play Store and search fully battery alarm full battery alarm. So in the first you can see the app theft alarm. So install this app, it's really good for you. So install it. So it's taking time for, yeah, it's done. So we can watch, yeah, 1 million plus downloaders. Wow. It's installed, and as you know, we are having 5G. So then, yeah, it's downloaded and we are opening now. So yeah, hello, thank you. I have read it at the first, so in the beginning. So please first read it, then start it. So permission, okay, allow it, and then allow it. And you can see 75% you are having it, and 15 hours this 75% will work. So, and over there you can see the 27-degree your mobile heat up, and right now your mobile is in good condition. So in this, now my battery is full. So first you will plug in your charger, then uh, press the button that charge alarm. So you can see, firstly you should plug your device to activate alarm. So first you will plug in, then activate it, then it will work. So that was my today's video. Thanks for watching, and Allah Hafiz.